What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be working on the MK6 Cjaa Sport Wagon TDI. We're going to be just changing the oil, a little how-to. We're going to be using this Liqui Moly. It's specifically for diesels, a full synthetic. I got this kit from FCP Euro. It comes with a new drain plug and it also comes with a new filter with the O-ring gasket on it. So let's put the car up in the air and get to changing the oil. Okay, now that we're under the car, the first thing we want to remove is all these Torx bolts to remove the entire belly pan so we can expose the oil pan of the car. So they come all the way around, so we're going to remove this belly pan first and then we'll be able to access the oil pan under. So with the belly pan removed, here is the drain plug for the TDI oil pan, which is a 19mm bolt. So we're going to get the 19mm and undo that. Wow, that is super black. Oh my god. I haven't changed the oil in this car in like 5,000 or 6,000 miles. So, and diesels tend to dirty oil very quickly, so wow. But yeah, we're gonna let this drain out. I'm gonna take off the oil filter housing and the oil filter up top while this drains out. Alright, so the oil filter housing is right down here, but I recommend you removing this line, which is a T30, because then you won't be able to get a socket and a ratchet in here to be able to remove the housing. So I'm going to remove this line and put it out of the way. So now that that's out of the way, we're able to get a 32mm socket and remove the housing like so. Alright, so this kit is from FCP Euro. I will link it down below, but it is a 5W30 oil, which is meant for diesels, fully synthetic. It comes with a new oil filter and also a new gasket that goes for the oil filter, the top of the housing, and it comes with a new drain bolt as well. So I will link that down below. So this is the top of the housing. Just get a little pick and you're going to want to remove the old O-ring gasket that it comes with. Put that to the side and you want to get a little bit of oil and lube this up just a little bit. And then put the new one on like so. Put it down. And now it's in place, ready to go back into the car. So the new filter is going to go this way. So clips in, and then with the stem, it's going to go down below. So new O-ring gasket in place. Put the new filter with the housing back in. Nice and snug, don't over tighten it. so. And now we can put this line back on with the bolt and secure this area. Okay, so FCP Euro provides you with a new drain plug. We got to tighten this down to 25 foot-pounds of torque. There you go, that's all you need. Don't want to over tighten it because then you can strip it out and ruin it. Okay, so the cart takes about 4.5 quarts of oil. I just put a whole jug in. It's about 5, so get a funnel. Alright guys, so the car is full of oil. I'm just going to go under again and just put on the belly pan, tighten that back up, move the car off the ramps, and check the oil level, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so last thing we need to do is check the oil level. I have the car running for about a minute now, so wipe that off. As you can see, the oil level is perfect, right between the min and the maximum. So, job complete, we're good to go. Alright everyone, so that's going to conclude the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link the kit down below in the description if you guys want to get it. Super good oil. FCP Euro gets things out very quickly when they get to shipping. I usually get my stuff in a day or two, so they're super, super awesome to deal with. Great customer service. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.